Your recovery shelf doesn't need another hype gadget that feels awful by day 2. Here's the best foam roller setup, 5 rollers for 5 real needs. Quick answer, Amazon Basics is the default, OPTP is the firmer upgrade, Gaiam is the softer start, Roll Recovery adds contour, and Tiger Tail goes portable. No roller fits everyone. Choose by pressure, size, texture, and portability. For most homes, I'd start with the Amazon Basics high-density round foam roller. Buy it if you want one simple floor roller that handles broad, everyday use without making the decision precious. The firm feel and 36 inch length give you room for bigger positions, so it works as the main roller in a home setup. The catch is comfort, this is not a gentle first step. It can feel intense, and it may shift around on hard floors. Skip it if you want a softer roll or you're brand new to this. If you already know you like a firm roller, the OPTP Black Axis Firm Foam Roller is the cleaner upgrade path. It's for someone who wants that gym-style, professional-feeling 36 inch roller and doesn't mind paying more for it. The daily payoff is straightforward, stable, firm pressure in a familiar long format. But this is where value gets tricky. It does nearly the same job as the cheaper default, and durability can vary, with some foam chipping complaints out there. Skip it if price to use is your main filter. For a gentler first roller, go Gaiam Restore Total Body Foam Roller. Buy it if firm EPP rollers make you quit after a few sessions, or you want something more cushioned for regular use. It gives you a friendlier feel, which matters because the roller you actually use beats the impressive one collecting dust. The trade-off is longevity. Softer polyethylene foam can compress or lose shape sooner than dense rollers. You may also outgrow it once firm pressure feels better. Skip it if you already want a deeper, sharper roll. When a plain cylinder feels too blunt, the Roll Recovery R4 body roller makes sense. It's for people who already like rolling and want a more shaped surface for legs, shoulders, neck positioning, or back setup. The benefit is control. The contours give you a more directed feel without turning the whole routine into a wrestling match. The catch is specialization. At nearly 3 pounds, it's not the easiest thing to toss in a bag, and the ridges still aren't extreme. Skip it if you want the simplest, cheapest, smoothest roller. For travel or no-floor routines, the Tiger Tail Original is the practical add-to-your-life pick. Buy it if you want targeted pressure from a handheld roller, especially for smaller areas or quick use after the gym. It takes up less space, doesn't require a mat, and works when getting on the floor is annoying. But it's not a full replacement for a floor roller. You won't get the same body weight pressure, and some spots are awkward to reach solo. Skip it if your main goal is rolling larger areas like the upper back. Quick split, most people should choose Amazon Basics. Pick OPTP if you want the firmer, more premium feeling version. Choose Gaiam if comfort matters most. Go Roll Recovery for contour and targeted positioning. Choose Tiger Tail when portability beats floor rolling. Before you buy, match pressure to your tolerance, not your ambition. Use a mat if the roller slips. Check storage space for a 36 inch roller. And if texture sounds exciting, remember ridges feel different in daily use. If you're unsure, start with Amazon Basics, it's the clean default. Go OPTP if you want the firmer upgrade, Gaiam if pressure puts you off, Roll Recovery if contour matters, and Tiger Tail if portability wins. Links are in the description. Shelf care. The edit your shelf actually needs. Subscribe for the next routine.